So with that being said, I'm going to pass it. We'll come back to United States real quick here. And Jessica, are you with us, my friend?
Yes. Can you hear me?
Yes. Hello.
Yay. Hi. Thank you so much. So my story is way different, and I'm a little slower pace kind of girl, but I live in West Virginia. I literally thought digital marketing was some scam that somebody made up. So I'm a skeptic. I have sold products for other people since I was 18. Since I was in high school, I started selling Pampered Chef when I was in high school. Raise your hand if you're an MLM person. You've sold them. I've done it. I did it my whole life. Okay. So when I started looking at other ways to make money online, I had all these pre thoughts, like preconceived notions or whatever. Like, you had to have a big following, you had to be an influencer, it's a joke. Like, my whole life I would ship a product to somebody and they would touch it and they would use it and they would like it, and they would buy more. So I just didn't think it was real. And I thought you had to shake your booty on TikTok to make money. So I thought it was like Michelle says all the time, but I did too. I'm like, I'm not dancing on TikTok. I don't want to make money that bad, right? So, I just kept watching and I'm like, I don't know. So I kept seeing Michelle and I'm like, I think I could do that, right? I could do that. So I did it. And I made 100K in 6 months. And that blows my mind. And I'm not fancy. Like, I'm the mom that doesn't like wash her hair every day, doesn't brush her teeth till 3 or 4 in the afternoon. Like, that wears the same sweatshirt for a week. Like, I stay at home and I homeschool, and like, being on my phone is not a priority, but we've lived payday to payday our entire life. And we had thousands of dollars of credit card debt because we put groceries and gasoline and birthday presents on a credit card. It's not glorious, but that's how I've lived my whole life. And my husband worked 12-hour shifts and we would still put life on a credit card. So life is hard and life is expensive. And for me to physically think of taking something and buying something, which $900 scared me to death, but then you help other people and you make $900 a day from one person and you're not on your phone. So I purchased, and the lady I purchased from decided that this wasn't her thing. So like, I didn't have somebody to say, hey, where did you find that video? Or, hey, where can you get on this Zoom? Or, hey, what should I do? What should my name be? How does my video look? I didn't have that. I had that blonde lady right there. And every single day she gives us a video, and every single day she pours into us, or there's a Zoom 4 to 5 times a week, or there's tech help. Like, you learn from somebody else that's making millions of dollars, and you just plug in and listen. And the whole concept was foreign to me until I made my first sale. And I'm like, holy crap, that lady knows what she's talking about. And then you continue to listen and you catch the fever. So I just challenge you, if you're still here after all of these testimonies, to kind of take a step back, because I watched a webinar like this, and 8 months, I didn't do anything. I sat and watched. And I thought, I'm not real pretty. I'm not real fancy. I don't have a following. I don't know what a domain is. I don't have a website. Like, all of these things that these people would talk about, she did for me. She taught me. She showed me in a video or gave me for free. Like, and I say it on my lives every day, but a millionaire gives me a video every day for free and tells me how she's making millions of dollars. It's a no-brainer. And for me, I want to be a testimony for Christ. And I'm working too. I was so desperately worried that I couldn't be what Christ wanted me to be on TikTok. You get these thoughts in your head. And if you've ever been on one of my lives, I'm talking about Jesus more now than I ever have in my entire life. So whatever thing that you have here that you think you can't be on the internet, or you can't make money online, or you can't change your path, you're wrong, because you can. And this sweet lady has created this, and she teaches us and she pours into us every day, but she does exactly what we do right alongside of us. She's not getting money from us every day. She's pouring into us because she cares and loves us every single day and does exactly what we do together. So step out of the box, and that place we put ourselves in, that we have to work, and maybe just be open-minded to some of us, like real people that are changing our life, because I'm telling you, it will change your life.